So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of a low volume on the call while you are on the call on your iPhone. Now in order to fix it, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, when you scroll down, you'll see this option of sound and haptics. Simply go over there, and here you'll see the ringtone and alerts option. Simply stretch it to 100%. Make sure it's set to the higher value. And apart from that, when you are on the call, when your call is ongoing, simply increase the volume right there using the buttons, and it will directly increase the volume of your eyepiece while you are on the call. And if all this still not work, it will directly it means that it's a fault on your hardware. So make sure to consult the Apple Care for it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.